morning. So the topic for the day is units and dimensions, and I am E. Ilavenil, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Unit. Unit is a term used to represent the measure of any physical quantity. So more than the definition, you better understand unit through the examples. So typically gram, meter, centimeter, Pascal, Newton, watt, joule, second, hour, pound, mile, gallon, liter are all examples for unit. So without unit, often the quantities are not so comprehensible, or say their quantities are not comprehensible at all. So when you want a good understanding, you must know a quantity with its unit. Dimensions. So dimensions are physical quantities that can be measured. It is the measured quantity rather than the measurement. So again, it can be understood through the examples. Mass, length and time are typical examples for dimensions. We have more dimensions, but in terms of mechanics, these are the dimensions that we will be often using. So units and dimensions. Units are related to dimensions. So we have dimensional representations, and they are in combination of the basic dimensions that are M, L and T, which we have already expressed as mass, length and time, or it could be FLT, which are force, length and time. Based on the system we follow, we either take ML and T or FL and T as the basic dimensions. Unit systems. So we have several unit systems according to which we have different units. So the older and a very popular type of system is imperial or FPS system, and then we had metric system, which are two components that are CGS system and MKS system, and then we had SI system. Now this SI system, which is the international system, which is being popularly followed all over the world. So imperial system or imperial units. So it is also referred to as FPS system, where F stands for foot, P for pound and S for second. Also units like mile, yard, furlong, ounce, gallon, inch and PSI are popular imperial units. So we say that educational systems nowadays mostly do not follow these imperial units, but the mighty nation USA and certain other places and many of the industries still follow the imperial units. Metric units. So metric units are based on number 10 and their multiples. So they are very comfortable, and obviously they are round number based. So they were largely followed by scientists and engineers before the emergence of SI system. So at first it was developed as CGS system with centimeter, gram and second as their main units, and the derived units such as dyne belong to the CGS system. And then MKS system was developed with meter, kilogram and second as the basic units, and the scientific world also moved from CGS to MKS system. SI units or SI system. So SI stands for System International D Units. So it is mostly MKS based system which includes a lot of improvisation. So it is more convenient and relevant for the practical usage, and it has a lot of standardizations based on new factors like travel of light, vibration of cesium, etc. Dimensional systems. So MLT system, or the mass, length and time system, is a very important system where other dimensions are derived in terms of M, L and T, of course with the powers of M, L and T. So we also have FLT system where force, length and time as basic dimensions. So here other dimensions are derived in terms of F, L and T. So which system we follow when we see? So under the unit system, SI system is largely followed and studied nowadays, and a combination of MLT and FLT system is followed. So for an example, we can see that we use a unit Newton per meter under FLT system, as well as kg per meter cube under MLT system, and we use both the units under our practical usage. So as we proceed with the course, we learn every of the units and dimensions of the physical quantities we come across. So in this small lecture, we studied about units and their systems. We also studied about dimensions and their systems, and we have studied about which system we are following, and we also study that we are going to learn the various dimensions and units while learning the course. So that's all from this lecture for you. Thank you.